guys, I'm Deepa. Welcome to my channel. र आज चाहिँ हामी कायाकिङ गर्न जाँदैछौँ र हाम्रो जर्नी देखाउँछु। अनि हाम्रो साथी चाहिँ यहाँ आज अवतार ब्रिस्बेनबाट आएको। हाई अनि
अवतार जन्मै पछि मुभी आएको हो।
हामी चाहिँ अन द वे छौँ, जाँदैछौँ साथीहरूलाई पिक गर्न। Maybe hopefully रमाइलो हुन्छ होला। Anyway, stay tuned then. To our destination.
It's overhand grip, just like we'd be riding a bike, and you also want for your hands to be evenly spaced apart from the centre of the paddle. When you're paddling, this will probably come pretty naturally for most of us, but what we want to do, I'll pretend I'm sitting in the kayak here, stick the paddle in the water up near your toes. Make sure the paddle's in the water, and with this bottom arm we want to pull through the water just like that. Don't hit the kayak like I did. And with the top arm here, while we're pulling back with this arm, we want to be pushing forwards with the other arm. So using both of our arms, left, right, that will keep you going straight. And you always want to try and get the whole face of the paddle in the water if you can.
Yep.
If it's just trickling across the top, you won't be going too far. Turning, this will come even more naturally, but if you want to turn to your right, just keep paddling on your left side like that. Nice wide scoops like that. And to go to your left, as you can imagine, same on the right. Nice wide scoops like that. And if you need to slow down, just put the paddle in the paddle.
Right. मैले नछुए त हुँदै हुँदैन। दिपा Abhishek, Vistari. Let's go with the flow. Left. Yes, we are enjoying a lot, and it's a bright sunny day here. So much fun. Wow. Why a video बनाउँदैछु, video vlog गर्दैछु. अनि still we are enjoying, guys. So much fun. I think you should try this as well. So much fun. तिम्रो पनि आइरहेको छ हेर, कता छ कता छ। पुगिसक्यो म मात्र यता बाँकी छु एनिवे see you again